Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this VW Golf here at Daring Beefcake. It's 2012. I'm just going to show you the location of the color code. It should be in your service book, but if you can't find it there, technically you're going to find it in the boot. So if you come to the back, open the hatch, lift this up, and you look at this sticker here, the color code is going to be the one just there. In this case scenario, you can see it says lacquer number or paint number LC5F. So that particular code, it's for this particular color, which is a kind of a bluish color. So that's where you can find it if it's not in your service book. So anyway, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.